Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to buy on a first ledger. Power on your device, choose a PIN, and write down the 24-word recovery phrase immediately and securely. Keep the recovery phrase offline and never share it with anyone or enter it into a website. Register the device in Ledger Live on your computer, install the necessary coin app, and prepare your exchange or bank funding method before proceeding to buy. Open Ledger Live and follow the on-screen prompts to add your device and create accounts for the assets you want to buy. Confirm firmware updates and install the correct coin apps to enable receiving and sending. Use the Ledger device to verify addresses and approvals physically every time you transact. Link a payment method in your exchange or on-ramp service and double-check addresses before confirming purchases to avoid irreversible mistakes. Select a reputable exchange or on-ramp and buy the crypto you want, keeping fees and limits in mind. When prompted, paste your Ledger receive address from Ledger Live and verify that exact address on the Ledger device screen before confirming. Complete the purchase, monitor the transaction ID, and wait for required network confirmations. Once settled, open Ledger Live to confirm the balance and consider enabling additional security features for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.